breaking the lower control arm, trailing arm. So we're gonna pull the trailing arm off, and the fab school over there is gonna weld plates all the way around the whole trailing arm.
All right.
So we'll show you the crack right up here.
That right there, and it's pretty substantial. So we're gonna address it. These guys are using some cardboard technology.
You want to take the arm all the way up?
You want it up?
Yeah, go ahead and go up lower till like you get it to where it's just okay. Now go, come down just a little. Right, I think that might be it.
Alright, so we're gonna take all this apart and something's gonna happen.
Look, we're being useful.
Yeah.
Got a little deal.
That was
mini
all we
fan.
Yeah.
It was meant for it.
Yeah.
Just wait for
like
it.
a little more. I'm like, okay, we have a little more. A little more. We have less more.
There goes.
So we just can't lose them.
Right.
And the misalignments.
Yeah.
So let's
pop those out.
I got zip ties.
Let's zip tie them.
I got them right here.
So now we're trying to maintain all these misalignment spacers so we don't lose everything. Oh yeah. This was
Landing on fingers, guys.
landing on. Wow. Yeah, that is quite a. All right, so we're off.
Welding lessons.
Off the welding land?
I guess so. Yeah, here we go.
What's up? You're like, I knew you'd need me.
And what, at some point, I knew I'd see you.
So here's the thing. These might fall out with me, but what I'd like to do somehow is punch the hole through here.
You guys are awesome.
I appreciate
So, like,
that.
kind of like trade school kind of deal?
Yeah, so
but
we
just focus on fab?
Absolutely. We got 3 different programs actually. So we got metal fabrication and welding program, which a lot of these guys are here because of.
Right.
We also have a digital design program, which is computer-aided drafting, 3D printing, laser, CNC machining, manual machining, prototyping, all that good stuff.
Nice.
And then we have a 3rd program on carbon fiber and fiberglass as well. So a little bit of everything.
That is awesome.
Help our students get out into the race industry. So most of them want to end up.
That is awesome.
Absolutely.
Good
And we're
thing.
out here doing what we do, and we don't charge anything. We just hope that you guys share our information.
Exactly.
That's all we
That's what we want to do. Get more people interested in it.
have. Absolutely.
Awesome.
All
man.
right.
Nice talking to you guys.
Yeah.
Out of here at the end. Hold this up where I can mark them holes. guys did the same thing. Okay, let me see. Is there a couple right there? Yeah. Whatever we got one, whatever this one. Oh yeah, 1 inch pieces. Yeah.
Go ahead, send it to Jesus.
One hour, 14 minutes to go. Look at this. See, there's Donnie and Glenn and John and...
Oh, wait.
Oh.
Look, right there.
Oh, hey, who are those guys? All right, we got the arm back. And here we go.
Can we push in on it? Yeah. Hammer. Pretty flexible these
There it is.
Yeah, good thing you're doing that yoga.
So there's that.
Okay, 1 second.
Now let's cut that.
You gotta twist it a little.
Here's a, you want a short bar?
We shouldn't have to. I mean, the bypass is still an inch, or the arm's still an inch. We don't have to go up and over.
It's just this misalignment.
Yeah.
Crooked.
That one's close. This one.
Go ahead and dump the nitrogen.
You have a nitrogen tank?
Yeah, I got it. I just didn't want to have it. What do you think?
There you go, there you go.
more.
Going?
Almost. A quarter of a whole way.
Here, use this pointy look.
Here, if we can stab this bolt, I can set the car down and that'd match up.
Where's that big bolt?
Yeah, right here.
Is it
I gotta
clean?
go forward a little with the axle. Oh, where's the bolt? Oh no, keep going, keep going.
There's a witness mark. It's real close.
Yeah, up or down?
Up. Put up.
Where's that hammer?
Try it.
Can we do this?
Here she is, we got a nut.
Should,
Okay.
Need a socket and a wrench.
there's a 1 1/8 somewhere.
I got the wrench.
Okay.
Hey, got some paint?
Come on, we don't get paint.
You have to reshock too now?
Over there. Somebody wants to run over there.
Hey, you want some Seymour Black?
No, I'm kidding.
Okay, so we're gonna put some nitrogen back in the shock here. Put the body on, we'll be good to go.
Can I go ahead and start it?
Yes, dude.
Good job, gentlemen.
So this fine gentleman has a small trailer repair. We gotta weld that back to that. So we brought out throw welder here. We got the buggy working today. Dude.
Is that the Marine guy?
Yeah, dude.
You got their Hummer.
Ooh, there
Yeah, bazookas in the back. See it?
dang.
They are ready for war.
Heck yeah.
Loser! What do you think, Mike?
I'm really bad at that. You should try it.
I'll try it.
See if Sean crashes as quick as I did. Ah, there he is. He's in the weeds. That's a fence. Oh man, you are. Oh, I didn't have to restart. All right, check it out. We get to do a little custom fabrication here. We got a thing. Two thingies, in fact. This flag is inadequate. So anyway, we're gonna build us a bracket and make some lighted whips. Get lit.
Are these your long shorts?
Yeah. Well, they used to be my pants. Now they're my shorts.
They're your long shorts.
I don't know where the other one went, but
Alright.
it is what it is.
It is. Let's just use her to weld on her.
All right. We got some welding leads strung out. Getting her idled up. Check it out. Sean's cooking.
It's dinner time. Look at that.
Pork tacos.
Gonna have some tacos coming up.
All right.
Any closer?
Yeah, closer.
Thank you.
They're dang close this way. Yeah, I'd say they're the same.
There. Alrighty.
Oh yeah, those are very green.
They're not even the bright green. These are the regular green.
Yeah, they are very nice for safety.
See?
You can sell anything with safety.
You don't need a flag when you got these.
True.
Yeah.
Look at Sean over there
Helping.
helping.
Hey, it's working, man.